Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that work in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover lecture number 13, buy paid clicks for Android application in cheap rate. So I will show you how I have already run campaign for Android application. Here you can check. This is my Android application. This is Pico Worker website. Here I have buy clicks from last 6 months, and all clicks from I getting from this site, that all clips are accept on Google AdSense. So here I run campaigns. I will show you another campaign. IPC. This is campaign. I have run a campaign this type for Android user only physics. This app useful need Patwari, grammar. I write here for application short description. After that I have write go to here. Here this is the I think screenshot. I have write here screenshot and or social media link. I think click on the post. This post is my Android app. You will redirect on Google Play Store, download and install this app. Open this app and check all content carefully. This is my education app. And give 5-star rating, write good review about the app in Play Store. Review must be unique and related to app topic. You can read description for aid, write best reviews. VPN proxy users not allowed for this job, only for Indian. You can write reviews in Hindi language also. What proof I need? Your name in Play Store, our app URL and link of screenshot of your review and rating. This campaign I have run only for review and rating, but you can also run campaign for aid click on Android. This is campaign Android app IPC, download, install and honest review. Here you can run campaign, download, install and click 1x. Okay, and I will show you what is the cost you need to pay to Google, Pico Worker. I select international and I am going to here mobile application, download and install. This category we select download and install category. Here we need to pay 14 cents for each worker, and you can select 25 user or 30 user or 100 user, and speed you can, if you want to fast click within short time, then you can run speed 1000. If you need click normal time, you can keep here 500 speed. And worker, this is 14 cent for each worker cost, yani each click you want to pay. Here you can write, for example, I copy this one. Android app, download, click and honest review. I have copy and I write here Android app IPC, download, install and honest review. I have removed this one and I write here click 1x. This type of campaign. Now you need to copy the campaign. Copy and paste here. Go to, this is application link. Click on the post. You will redirect to Play Store, download and install app. Open the app and check all content carefully. And I remove this line number 5. Here I need to write click 1 full screen ad on app and go to ads website and visit any other 3 pages. This one. Go to this link of my Android application. Go to my application, click on the post. You will redirect to Play Store. Or you can also send traffic from Google Play search engine. Google Play Store search engine. If your application are popular and if showing in first page on Google Play Store, then you can write keyword here or app name here. Go to Play Store and search this keyword and find this app. For example, here you can paste your application link screenshot and you say to user, go to Play Store, search this keyword and find this application. Here you can give a screenshot of your app. Okay, you need to download this application and install it. Open app and check all content carefully. Click one full screen ad. Why I write here full screen ad? Why I don't write here interstitial ad? Because in the world many people don't understand what is the interstitial ad. So I write here in easy language, click one full screen ad, because they can easily understand full screen ad means interstitial ad. So click one full screen ad on app and go to ads website and visit any other 3 pages. VPN proxy user not allowed, and this job only for, you can remove this one. This job only for Indian, you can remove. VPN proxy user not allowed, you can review also. I have removed. Okay, that's enough. This is your campaign. What proof you need? Your name in Play Store don't need. Over application URL, you can get this one, and link of screenshot you can get over application URL. First, this proof you can check. These people going to your application or going to another application. Maybe they are going wrong application and install. So you can check your application URL here and send a screenshot of our app home page. This proof you can get from user. Send a screenshot of our app home page. So they can send you a screenshot link. You need to open this screenshot and you can check that people using your application or another people's application. Here you can identify this person really click on your ad or not. So this campaign you need to pay 14 cents per user and you will get 25 clicks from Pico Worker on your Android application. And for example, if you get CPC on AdMob 0.50 maybe into 25, you will earn $12.50 from only this campaign, 25 clicks. And what you pay? $4.15 only you pay to Pico Worker and you earn $12.50. This is your pure profit. If you run campaign for 50 users, for example, you need to 50 click, you need to pay only $7.89. And here we can check if we get, for example, normal to normal CPC, we will get, for example, 30 cents, 0.30 30 cent, for example, we will get CPC into 50, we will earn $15, and what we pay? $7. Double benefit you can earn on your Google AdMob account. These all clicks are real. Google AdMob will be accept because that all users is real and human traffic. So that all clicks are accept on your AdMob account. But if your application have organic traffic, if you getting daily organic clicks on your app, then you can run campaign or Pico Worker. If your application is not installed in real user, if your application not getting real views and real impression and real click, then if you are doing campaign on Pico Worker, maybe your account going to suspend, disable, or you will getting ad limit problem, because your website, your application need original traffic first. So before the start campaign on Pico Worker or Rapid Worker, you need to promote your application to real users. If once real user install your application, they are getting real views, real impression and real click. After that, if you campaign on Pico Worker, definitely you will earn double or triple from these paid clicks. So I think all you will understand what I want to say you. Organic traffic, organic click, organic page view and organic impression is very important to earn from AdMob account. If you don't have any organic traffic or any organic thing, and if you try to buy all paid thing from Pico or Rapid Worker, then your click may be accept, but you will getting ad limit problem in your AdMob account. I hope you will like this tutorial, and next lecture we will cover next topic.